Hi there, I'm just going to do a quick video of how to assemble a Bermuda hydraulic styling chair. So you should receive the chair in a box like this. So what you need to do is just open the box up. Inside the box there should be the chair top. Here. You just want to get rid of all the packing. And also there's a base and a hydraulic. So on top of the hydraulic, what we do, we put a piece of wood with some bubble on. So for transportation purposes, it doesn't go through onto the seat of the chair. So what we need to do is turn it over. You need a Phillips screwdriver, just to undo the two screws that are in the bottom of the wood. Once you've taken that off, you can discard this now and put that there. So you've got the plate of the hydraulic and it should have 4 holes in it. And the bottom of the chair, you've got 4 screws here. So these are just finger tight at the moment. So what you need to do is take the 4 screws out. Ooh. Which will leave you the 4 holes, which will match the 4 holes on the bottom of the hydraulic. Now, as you can see, the hydraulic is higher at one end than the other. And what you want to do is put the higher end at the front of the chair. So when you sit in the chair sits backwards. So what we need to do is just turn it over, marry the holes up with the screws. We just need to do it finger tight to start with. You don't want to tighten up all the way first because it will be hard to marry the holes up then. And all you need now is a 6mm Allen key. Just to tighten them up. Okay. So as you can see at the front, it's a bit longer than the bit at the back, so that's correct. So the chair should sit backwards. As you notice that there's 2 extra holes at the front here. Now they are if you wanted to add a footrest. So they're there if only if you want to add the footrest after. So this now, turn the chair over, and that's it.